Photographers that rely heavily on fast and accurate autofocus systems generally go for a camera that has phase detect or dual pixel autofocus. Now, it'd be easy to think that these systems are better than contrast-based autofocus in every single way. But Panasonic at least disagree. They say that dual pixel autofocus, because you're essentially slicing the photo site in half and dedicating one site just to the autofocus system, they say that that causes a poor looking image. And that could be true. If you're making the photo site smaller, we know that can often mean higher noise and less dynamic range. This could also mean that Panasonic has thrown all their budget behind contrast-based autofocus and doesn't want to speak as highly about the competing technology. Who knows? The good news is if you have a Panasonic camera and let's say the GH5 II and you're sick of this contrast-based detection, there's good news. The GH6 may have phase detection finally. And if it does, that means Panasonic is switching over to this faster system. So that's something definitely to look forward to if you are a Panasonic fan, which I am. I think the BGH1 and the EVA1 and the S5 are all fantastic cameras.